In the world of high-stakes finance, Jason Hartman was known for his unwavering confidence and risky gambles. He scoffed at diversification, believing he could predict the market's every move. But one ill-fated investment would shatter his world. One moonless night, as Jason stared at his screens, a single opportunity caught his eye: an uncharted tech startup promising revolutionary AI technology. Ignoring cautionary warnings, he emptied his portfolio into the venture. He couldn't be wrong. Weeks passed, and Jason's investment appeared to thrive. He reveled in his foresight, his ego growing alongside his bank account. But then, a sudden revelation emerged. The startup's technology was a fraud, a facade crafted by a skilled con artist. As panic gripped the market, Jason's world crumbled. The stock plummeted, dragging his entire fortune down with it. His confidence shattered, replaced by a chilling dread he couldn't shake. Late, one sleepless night, the glow of his screens cast an eerie pallor across the room. Shadows seemed to dance, whispering their taunts.
One bet, one fall.
Jason's nights grew restless, his mind tormented by visions of his portfolio's collapse. He became convinced he heard distant cries, the echoes of those he'd advised to follow him. He turned to bottles of whiskey to silence the haunting voices, but they only grew louder. One fateful evening, as Jason drowned his sorrows, a cold breeze swept through the room. The screens flickered, displaying a montage of his life's mistakes, a singular line graph representing his downfall.
Diversify.
A ghostly whisper echoed. The air thickened, and a spectral figure emerged, the embodiment of his folly, its hollow eyes fixed on Jason, who staggered back in terror.
You wagered it all.
The figure intoned, its voice a chorus of lost fortune. Jason's voice trembled as he pleaded, "Give me another chance." The figure's response was a mournful wail, a symphony of shattered dreams. It pointed to the empty screens, the graphs now jagged cliffs of despair.
Your recklessness binds you.
Haunted by his failures, Jason's sanity unraveled. The specter's cries echoed through his thoughts, a constant reminder of his greed. He watched helplessly as his possessions were seized, his empire reduced to ash. On the night of his ultimate loss, Jason retreated to his desolate office. The screens remained blank, a mirror of his desolation. The figure appeared, its eyes like empty voids.
Your choices led you here.
It whispered, the sound a mournful dirge. Jason closed his eyes, the weight of his actions suffocating. In that moment, he understood the horror of his folly, a lesson learned too late, a legacy of devastation